In Ethiopia, if you want to camp, you need an armed guard. So that's how I met Bar. He carries an ancient Chinese rifle. He was assigned to protect me from wild animals. I hadn't used my tent before, so I had a bit of trouble with that.
Can you help me put up my tent, please? Oh, thank you, thank you.
Thank goodness my guide, Margaru, was practical and helped me set my tent up properly.
Okay. Oh, hey, yellow and blue. Oh, whoop. It's okay. Yeah.
Margaru and I enjoyed relaxing in such a beautiful setting. And when we settled down for the night, as soon as the dusk drew down, the noise from the jungle rose up. For me, the sounds were a bit disconcerting. Lightning seemed quite appropriate to being in Ethiopia.